Hi everyone, this is Alice, also known as Stamper Girl for Cat Scrappiness, and today I get to introduce you our festive Christmas arrangement craft dies. They are perfect for adding a festive touch to your holiday cards, featuring a stunning layer bow, Christmas foliage, and layer pine cones. This die set is sure to make any holiday project shine. It has a two-part pine cone, 4 berries. It has some pine leaves and pine cones. It has a spray. It has some holly leaves. They all different, varying width. The bow is 3 1/8 by 2 7/8. Pine cones are about 1 inch by 3/4. Pine leaves are 1.5 by 3/4 of an inch. The holly leaves, they vary the width from 5/8 to 3/4, but they're about 1 3/8 height. And the spray is 1 by 7/8. The bow is a 3-pipe bow, and the pine cone is a 2-part pine cone. I have cut all my pieces here to the right just to show you how to assemble them together. This is the solid bottom piece of the bow, and you could just put the center and keep it simple like this. Or you could actually layer the detail layer of the bow on top and then the extra layer for more dimension for the center. Here it is. So you have a couple of ways and a couple of looks for the bow. So let's put it together. Just as simple as glue. You can glue the center and curl the sides, or you could just glue everything to the base, which is what I'm doing on this one. Very simple. This would look adorable and super nice in our Cat Scrappiness glitter paper. This is the final look of the layered bow. For the spray, I have 2 pieces, one in green, one in red for the berries. And what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to snip the ends of the green part. So I'm cutting the berries out of the green die cut, and then I'm gonna glue this on top of the red die cut, and you get instant berries. I find this a little bit easier than cutting the berries, but you could do it the other way around and cut the berries out of the red ones and glue them into the green die cut. I'm going to put some glue on my side of my hand. This is just an easy way to apply glue with not too much of a fuss. And with the help of my Cat Scrappiness tweezers, I get to position these in here fairly easily. Just wiggle it around. That's why we use this glue. It gives you a little bit of a time to find that perfect position. And here it is. You got your green spray with a little bit of your berries at the end. For the pine cone, it has 2 pieces. I have cut the solid layer in a darker brown for the shadows, and then the detail layer in a lighter brown. And I'm just applying some glue, and you are going to position them perfectly. I'm just getting a little bit of the excess out. Just position it and wiggling into place. They are the same size, so they should perfectly line up. And here is the pine cone. You could add some Cat Scrappiness mousse glitter glue in copper, and it would look super adorable. Now onto the holly leaves. Holly leaves, again, they have varying widths, but they're all about the same 1 3/8 height. The width goes from 5/8 to 3/4. So just position them as you see fit. I have cut them both in a darker green and a lighter green. I am doing a mix of the dark color and leaves and the light color leaves to create some layering, and just putting some berries. The berries are a 1-layer berry. They are super easily to grab with my Cat Scrappiness tool. I don't know what I was doing without this tool before this. It's so easy to use and grab these little pieces. And here is the holly with one layer of the holly leaves. And then I decided, you know what, this will look really nice. It had another second layer in the back. So I am going to angle those. And again, since they are different widths, I'm using the ones that are a little bit wider to be in the back. And just position it however I feel that it looks pleasant to the eye. Here is the final look for that layered holly. Look how adorable it looks with the layer pine cone behind it. Make a couple of pine cones and a little bit of the sprigs, and this is such an adorable look. For the pine leaves, I cut 4, 2 in the light color, 2 in the darker color. I love this cardstock that I'm using. It's double-sided. One side is darker, one side is lighter. And this gives me a lot of versions on how I can use this. This is the fabulous look of the Festive Christmas Arrangement craft die, new at Cat Scrappiness. And you have so many variations and so many looks you can create with this new craft die from Cat Scrappiness. Now I am going to leave you to enjoy some projects from the KS Creative Crew.